Welcome to the exciting world of web development. Today, we're diving into SvelteKit 2.0, a powerful framework that's making waves and positioning itself as a serious contender against React. With its innovative approach to building user interfaces, SvelteKit 2.0 brings significant advancements that streamline development and enhance performance. Imagine a framework that compiles your code to highly optimized JavaScript, resulting in faster load times and a smoother user experience. As we explore its features, you'll see why developers are buzzing about SvelteKit's potential to shake up the status quo. So, if you're curious about the future of web frameworks and want to stay ahead of the curve, stick around. What is SvelteKit 2.0? SvelteKit 2.0 is the latest evolution of the Svelte framework, designed to make web development faster and more enjoyable. One of its standout features is improved routing, which simplifies navigation and enhances performance. Additionally, SvelteKit 2.0 introduces server-side rendering capabilities, allowing for better SEO and faster initial load times. Unlike React, which relies heavily on a virtual DOM, Svelte compiles components into highly efficient JavaScript, resulting in less overhead and quicker rendering. Developers will appreciate the streamlined setup process and built-in support for TypeScript, making it easier to build robust applications. With these enhancements, SvelteKit 2.0 is poised to redefine the developer experience and performance benchmarks in modern web development. React versus SvelteKit. A comparison. When comparing React and SvelteKit 2.0, the differences in architecture and design philosophies become clear. React uses a virtual DOM to manage updates, which can introduce overhead, while SvelteKit compiles components into efficient JavaScript, eliminating the need for a virtual DOM altogether. This leads to superior performance metrics, with SvelteKit often delivering faster load times and smoother user experiences. In terms of community support, React boasts a larger ecosystem with extensive libraries and resources, making it a go-to choice for many developers. However, SvelteKit's growing community is passionate and innovative, offering a fresh perspective and unique tools that cater to modern development needs. Both frameworks have their strengths, appealing to different developer preferences. Real-world use cases. SvelteKit 2.0 is gaining traction in various industries, with developers praising its efficiency and ease of use. For instance, the popular e-commerce platform, Svelte Shop, showcases how SvelteKit can handle dynamic content and fast loading times, enhancing the shopping experience. Developers have reported significant performance improvements and reduced development time when building single-page applications and content-heavy websites. Notable companies like Square and Storyblock have also adopted SvelteKit for their projects, highlighting its versatility in creating everything from dashboards to marketing sites. These real-world examples demonstrate that SvelteKit is particularly well-suited for applications requiring high performance and a seamless user experience, making it a compelling choice for modern web development. Getting started with SvelteKit 2.0. To begin your journey with SvelteKit 2.0, start by installing Node.js if you haven't already. Then, open your terminal and run the command --npm create svelte at latest to scaffold a new SvelteKit project. Follow the prompts to set up your project structure. Once installed, familiarize yourself with key concepts like routes, layouts, and endpoints, which are essential for building dynamic applications. SvelteKit's file-based routing makes navigation intuitive, while its component-based architecture allows for reusable code. Don't hesitate to experiment. Start by creating simple components and gradually build more complex features. The best way to learn is by diving in and building your own projects. Happy coding! Future of SvelteKit and React. As we look ahead, SvelteKit is poised for exciting developments, including enhanced tooling and improved integrations with popular back-end services. The community is actively working on features like better state management and expanded support for TypeScript, which could further elevate its appeal. In response, React may focus on optimizing its performance and refining its ecosystem to maintain its dominance. We might see innovations in concurrent rendering and improved developer experience as React adapts to the competition from SvelteKit. For developers, staying updated on both frameworks is crucial. Following their respective communities and release notes will ensure you're equipped with the latest advancements and best practices in web development. In summary, SvelteKit 2.0 offers significant advantages over React, including faster performance, a more intuitive development experience, and a streamlined architecture that eliminates the need for a virtual DOM. These features make it an exciting option for modern web development. As we continue to explore new technologies, embracing frameworks like SvelteKit can enhance our skill sets and keep us competitive in the ever-evolving tech landscape. If you found this discussion valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow developers. Your engagement helps us create more content that keeps you informed and inspired in your coding journey. Thank you for watching.